Now let me show you how crispy this is. Hello everyone, today we won't need rolling pin. First activate the yeast. 30 grams fresh yeast, so 8 grams dry yeast. Mix with 1 tablespoon of sugar. With dry yeast, you can add it directly to flour. But dough will need longer to rise. This way is faster. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix and let rest 10 minutes to activate yeast. Measure 800 grams of soft flour into mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix with spoon. Make a well in center. Pour in activated yeast mixture, which should look like this. Add 300 milliliters of water. And 50 milliliters of oil. Mix everything with spoon. Remove dough from the spoon and continue kneading by hand. Transfer nearly kneaded dough to work surface. Dust with flour and knead further. Divide dough into 12 portions. Dust with surface, shape each portion into ball. Add more flour if dough sticks. Shape last dough ball. Arrange to make covering easier. Dust lightly with flour. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent drying. Add cloth on top and rest 15 minutes. Press each ball flat by hand. Arrange dough in 4 rows of 3. Brush each portion with softened butter. After brushing first 8, stack them. Adjust with hands, then add unbuttered pieces. Press down lightly with hands. Now separate them. Like this. and this. Flip. Now brush. Brush the bottom side. After brushing, flip again. Now brush the top side. After brushing, replace plastic wrap. Cover top. Add cloth and rest 30 minutes. Next, transfer 3 dough portions to tray. Move aside to keep work area clear. Spread remaining butter on work surface. Place dough portion. Spread with hands, or like this. Dough is very soft and easy to work with. Stretch from center to edges. Thin out edges especially. After removing wrap, it looks like this. Use knife or pizza cutter to cut the dough. Add filling of choice. This time I'm using cheese, but any filling works. Add salt if cheese isn't salty. Mine isn't. Fold one end over like this. Then the other end like so. Butter underneath doesn't matter, as you'll place another dough portion on it. Lift carefully and transfer to baking tray. This is how it looks on tray. Repeat with next dough portion. Repeat same process with remaining dough. One full tray. Use cheese container to make glaze. Mix 1 egg, 100 milliliters yogurt, and some salt. Whisk with brush. Brush generously over everything. Use all glaze as there's plenty. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius after glazing. Let rest 20 minutes before baking. If oven heats quickly in 2 to 3 minutes, let dough rest 20 minutes first. Done. Bake about 30 minutes or to preference. Don't wash butter container yet. Use remaining butter to brush once more after baking.